back to my YouTube channel once again. So right now I am in Guwahati. I came here for 2 days and today is the second day. So हम सोच रहा था कि हम फैंसी बाज़ार जाएगा क्योंकि लाइक आप लोग बहुत पसंद आता है ना मेरा फैंसी ब्लॉग का. सो हमको भी बहुत लाइक एक्साइटेड होता है टू मेक वीडियो फॉर ऑफ फैंसी बाज़ार. तो हम गुवाहाटी में आया था फॉर माई टूथ चेकअप. तो वो हम टूथ चेकअप का बारे में आई थिंक आई शुड मेक अ वीडियो ऑफ दैट क्योंकि मेरा टूथ सर्जरी होने वाला है इन द नेक्स्ट वीक. सो तब हम बताएगा आप लोगों को. सो या हम मेरा दोस्त के साथ जाएगा फैंसी में. So guys, this is the first stall that we saw and the vendor was selling denim jackets for 300 rupees and it's a thrifted one by the way guys. And this is the second stall and the vendor was selling cardigan. This is not a thrifted one and the quality is so good and this is only for 250 rupees and this is near by the main road and you can find here in different colors and in different designs and it's a very pretty one. Guys, if you're here in Fancy Bazaar, do not miss this particular place because this dada sells a good sweater in a good quality and as you can see in the video, this cardigan is only for 300 rupees but the quality was like unexpectedly, the quality was like so good, trust me guys. And even this blazer, this was like so pretty but I ended up buying nothing.
Lua 250 lua 250 hey lua
Guys, look at this cardigan. Oh my god, it's so beautiful and pretty and the quality is super good. Even though it's a thrifted one, there is like no damage in the kapra and it even comes with a tag too and this is only for 250 rupees each. And I truly recommend you all to buy here in this area if you really want thrifted clothes. And this is the long skirt, this is for 250 rupees each and I really like this pattern of the skirt but I ended up buying nothing because I already have got a lot of skirt and this is the mini skirt but there is a bit damage in this skirt. Like you will have to search it properly, patiently, then only you will find a nice and proper one if you really want it. Since you guys have been asking me where is राजधानी गन हाउस, आप लोग ये वीडियो में देख सकते हो. ये जो थ्रिफ्टेड कपड़ा जो सेल करते हैं अपोजिट आई मीन टुवर्ड्स दैट ओनली you will see राजधानी गन हाउस and it is clearly written in the poster itself. So once you enter, यहाँ में first दुकान मिलेगा. यहाँ में you will find all the winter collection and यहाँ में western dress भी मिलेगा. You can see the leather jacket and all of these are so pretty and ये area में you will find more than 4 to 5 store. अच्छा है यहाँ में. And in this particular shop ये ब्लू टीना में here you will find this sweat pant for 350 rupees. दादा बोलेगा आप लोगों को 400 लेकिन आप लोगों को बर्गेन करके 350 में ले सकते हो. एंड जीन्स भी लाइक हम लोग बर्गेन करके 500 में लिया था. एंड यहाँ में कंपेयर टू द अदर स्टोर इतना कलेक्शन नहीं है बिकॉज ये दादा का दुकान में थोड़ा छोटा है लेकिन ज़्यादातर अच्छा है. पपर जैकेट ये सब भी है एंड देयर आर 1500 रुपीज़ ओनली. ये भैया का दुकान में आओ.
हाँ बहुत दिन के बाद है. ऐसे आता लेती लोग बोल दो तुम इसका फॉलोअर्स बढ़ा दो. जल्दी बोल दो. ये कलेक्शन जीन्स भी क्वालिटी अच्छा है.
ये जीन्स भी क्वालिटी अच्छा है एंड यू विल गेट इट बाय कितना 500 एंड कार्डिगन कितना भैया 400
खाली कस्टमर आने से.
हाँ तो सब लोग आ जाओ. और ये सेटन स्कर्ट इज for 450 satin skirt. So भैया अंसा Kau लेती बस दाम खाई को ना हाले फिर जानते हैं Guys, I truly recommend you all to visit MS Pack this time because they have got a good collections of winter wears and it's really getting crazy. And these long boots are for 2,290 rupees and the short boots are for 1,790 rupees. But as compared to the quality, it's really good and it's really worthy to buy it because the quality are super good. And these clogs are for 900 rupees and it's really comfortable to wear. So if you guys are wanting something comfortable, you should definitely get it for yourself too. And this is the sneaker. This is for 790 rupees, but it depends on the quality. If the quality is a bit cheap, the price will also be down, but if the quality is good, it will be around 790 rupees only, but it's really pretty and I really love the color.
Hey Manul, Manul, Miss Guinness Maldu Nai.
भैया ये कितना है?
1190.
I got two cardigan from here. The vendor was selling a beautiful cardigan. This is for 300 rupees each. I got two of the cardigan, the blue one and the white one, and it costed me for 550 rupees and it's very pretty and beautiful and I'm like really happy with my purchase. After that, I directly went to the Talukdar market to see some Marizan's flat as I have been seeing so many videos in the Instagram and I couldn't hold myself, therefore I directly went. Firstly, I saw this flat. This is for 150 rupees and it was like so comfortable to wear, but unfortunately my paw is very big that it didn't fit, and but it was like good. And these heels are for 300 rupees and the flat are for 200 rupees, but if you buy for around 2 to 3 pairs you will get a 100 rupees discount or 50 rupees discount. And I like there are like a new collection. And here is the heel. This is for 300 rupees. I got for 250 rupees since I got the flat also for 200 rupees and it was like quite good. Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you all what all I have got from Fancy Bazaar. So let's start. So the first one that I got is this cardigan. I got this cardigan. Look at the quality. This is a thrifted one by the way, and I got this for 250 rupees. लेकिन हमको ये वाला इतना अच्छा नहीं लगा था, लेकिन निकल भी गया था देर. So yeah, I got this and I got one more cardigan. This cardigan, it's so pretty. I like the pattern and this is also for 250 rupees. And I got one more cardigan. This cardigan, the quality is so good, trust me guys, and this is also for 250 rupees. And I got one jeans. This is for my friend. She told me to bring one jeans, and you know how much it costed. This is for 500 rupees. This jeans is for 500 rupees and it's a very demanding jeans, you know, the black one, like everybody likes black. And this jeans I got from this there is a shop okay nearby the जो MS Bag गली जाता है ना, डायरेक्ट MS Bag में घुस के and इस तरफ like थोड़ा हाँ राइट में you will find a stair. okay, stair का ऊपर में जाके you will find सीधा वो जाके वो स्टोर है. हाँ वो स्टेयर जाके सीधा वन स्टोर मिलेगा एक्जैक्ट देर उधर में ही मिला था. एंड उधर में आई इवन ट्राई दिस सैटिन स्कर्ट. ओके, एंड आई आस्क्ड दादा लाइक कितना पड़ेगा ये वाला. एंड आई डोंट नो लाइक दादा क्या बोला पता है 450 देगा आपके लिए 450 वो सबको ऐसा बोलते हैं आपके लिए हम इतना कर देगा आपके लिए हम इतना कर देगा लेकिन वो बोला था 450 से दे देगा आई रियली वांटेड दैट बट हम नहीं लिया क्योंकि पता नहीं हम कब पहनेगा वो वाला एंड इट्स लाइक वेरी लॉन्ग वाला एंड यू नो माई हाइट इज़ लाइक वेरी छोटा इसलिए हम नहीं लिया लेकिन बाद में हम ले लेगा हम उसको बोल के भी आया आई विल बाद में जब हम ले लेगा एंड आई गॉट दिस हिल दिस आई गॉट फ्रॉम तालुकदार मार्केट जो मेरी जेंट्स फ्लैट सेल करता है दुकान में उधर में लिया था हम लुक एट दी कलर द मैरून कलर आई गॉट दिस I don't have heels in this color so I got it and इतना ऊंचा भी नहीं है देखो and the quality is also quite good not quite good बहुत ज़्यादा ही good है and I got Crocs also these Crocs I got for 280 rupees the shopkeeper was asking 350 but I got it by 280 बहुत अच्छा है and I got one more flat I got from that Talukdar market only this वाला आई डोंट नो हम क्यों लिया ये पता नहीं कब पहनेगा बिकॉज ये वाला ये ऐसा वाला कलर सब कपड़ा से नहीं जाता हाँ एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई टुक बट हमको बहुत पसंद लगा था अभी पसंद नहीं आया हमको एंड आई गॉट अ ट्राउज़र ऑल्सो द ब्लैक ट्राउज़र दिस इज द ब्लैक ट्राउज़र this is the basic one like everybody have it like ladki ke paas like everybody have it this is the black one I got this for 450 rupees and I got a sweatpant too this sweatpant I got this sweatpant for 350 rupees the shopkeeper was asking 400 okay then हम लोग इतना bargain किया like वो मानने का तैयार ही नहीं था like हम नहीं देगा ऐसा बोल रहा था तो हम 4 लड़की था हाँ we were like literally bargaining like please दे दो ऐसा तो बाद में वो agreed हो गया था and I got it and the quality is so good लेकिन हम I mean like हमको पहले से ही I wanted this okay then H&M में देखा था it was like around 1299 and Savannah में भी like around 1700 800 ऐसे को था so हम नहीं लिया तो I got this for 350 rupees only and it says that it's from H&M I don't know so yeah that's it and thank you so much guys for watching and I hope आप लोग भी जो लड़की गुवाहाटी में है प्लीज़ गो टू फैंसी बाज़ार बिकॉज अभी क्रिसमस का भी बहुत सारा कलेक्शन आया है एंड विंटर के लिए तो परफेक्ट ही है fancy so that's it guys and I hope you guys will love it and thank you so much for watching once again bye